Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In the previous video we have discussed about the nav tag. Here you can see how it works. So now I want to use menu tag. Just here I can add a keyword menu. Then I can close this tag. And in the menu here I can choose li, so that is for the list items. For example, website design. Then I can close this tag, and here I can duplicate it 2 more times, and then I can close this space. So now here I can change the text, graphics design, apps design. Then I can save it, then go in the browser, and here you can see how menu tag works in HTML language.